Hey everyone, it's Angie from IV River Tables in Callaway, Maryland. We're located behind that pizza joint. We get a lot of questions on why our products look cloudy in the middle of working with them. So the answer is because we're in the middle of sanding them, and what will it look like when we're done. So this gives you an idea of what a like glass look will look like when we're finished sanding and polishing it. And as you can see, this one right here is about 1 inch thick, and it is truly like glass. It's got seashells and shark's teeth, sea glass, and it's got some sand. So we have done tables with ammo and military medals. We've done money and other currency and coins. So if you have some sort of idea of what you're looking for, give us a shout and follow us on social media, IV River Tables, and don't forget to like and share. Thanks.